Good morning, girls. Let's continue with simplification.
Good morning, girls. Let's continue with simplification. But before I go ahead, let's first revise what was taught yesterday. As I told yesterday, simplification means order of operation. In maths, we have learnt or we know that there are four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And in a question, if more than two operations are present, then we have to follow a proper order. And that order is DMAS, the DMAS rule. It means first division, then multiplication, then comes addition, and then comes subtraction. Yesterday, I had solved 4 questions. I explained 4 questions to you. Am I right? And I hope you remember the steps that we had followed. Today, we are going to go ahead with the next type of question. Now, in this, you will notice that there were 3 numbers, right? What we did yesterday, all the questions we had 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Am I right? But today, the question that we are going to do has more than 3 numbers in it. Just see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers here separated by the various operations. Am I right? So, what was the first step that I told you? What are you supposed to do? You are first supposed to rearrange. Why we are supposed to rearrange? Because we want first the plus sign and then comes the minus sign. Am I right? So, in rearrangement, what had I told you? I had told you, please see the sign before the number. So, circle that number with the sign because we want to separate first the plus sign, so we are doing that. Alright, and the first number has no sign before it. It means it is plus. Alright, so first we will put an equal to sign. We will write that number as it is. And then we are going to copy down this number with the plus sign here. Alright, I hope there is no confusion till here. Now, we have to put all the numbers with the minus sign together. Now, this has a minus sign. So, I will circle this. This number also has a minus sign. So, I will circle this. Even this number has a minus sign. So, I will circle this. Alright? And then, we will write all these numbers together. Minus 1437, minus 246, minus 95. I hope there is no confusion till here. Now, what was the second step? Was to write the DMAS. I hope you remember that. DMAS. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, do we have division here? No. Strike it off. Do we have multiplication here? No. Strike it off. Do we have addition here? Of course, we have addition here. So, what are we going to do? We will underline these 2 numbers that need to be added. Make an arrow. Put an equal to sign. Add the numbers. Write down the answer. If you are finding it difficult to add this way, you can definitely do the rough work. Just see. 503, then 5731. We are going to add it up. 5 plus 3, how much? 8. 7 plus 0, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. And then 1. Am I right? So, we will take down this answer here. Go step by step. It's very easy. Now, till here, I hope there is no problem. Now comes something different. Till class 3, if I remember, you must have been doing this way. After getting this answer, you subtract. Whatever answer you get, again you subtract. Whatever answer you get, again you subtract. Am I right? But in class 4 or from class 4 onwards, we are not going to do that. Remember, whenever you have two or more than two numbers with minus sign, all these numbers, they need to be added up. I repeat, if two or more than two numbers are with the minus sign, we have to add them up. That's the rule of the DMAS, or that's the rule that we have to follow. Am I right? So let's do the addition here. 1437, 246 and 95. We have to add them up. Alright, so what's the answer? Come on. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 8 carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 7 carry over 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And 1. So we got the answer as 1000. But before that, make an arrow. Do not forget. Then write down the answer 1778. Now you must be thinking, what sign should we put it here? No confusion at all. What is the sign that you see here? It's minus. That same sign needs to be copied down. Alright. So remember, whenever you have two or more than two numbers with the minus sign, we add them up and we put a minus sign before that. I hope I am clear. Then this is over. What is the last thing I have to see? Subtraction. Do we have a subtraction here? Definitely we have the subtraction here. So what do? Underline, make an arrow, do the subtraction and write down the answer. Let's do the rough work. 1878 minus 1778. We subtract and then we write down the answer. So we got the answer as 100. Do you think our work is over? No, we have to double underline. I hope, children, you are getting it. Am I right? I'll just take the second example, so that it becomes more clear to you. Then I'll be giving you the worksheets based on these types of questions. Alright, so that you understand much better. Alright, children, let's take up the second example. You will notice such a big question with plus and minus coming up so many times. But it's very simple. We just follow our steps. So what was the first step? Rearrange, keeping all the plus numbers together and all the minus numbers together. So let's start first with the plus numbers. Am I right? First number, no sign. It means it is plus. This number has a plus sign. So let's circle it. Now this number also has a plus sign. So let's circle it. Second step. We put an equal to sign and we start copying down the numbers having the plus sign. Am I right? Plus 8888 plus 777. Am I right? Now, circle the numbers with minus sign. Minus 6665 minus 555. We'll write all these numbers together. Minus 6665 and minus 555. Alright, I hope you are not getting confused. Alright, now what is the next step? We write here DMAS. Don't forget DMAS. Now D, division. Do we have a division here? No, we strike it off. M. Multiplication. Do we have a multiplication here? No. Strike it off. A. Addition. Do we have addition here? Definitely. We have addition here. So what do? We underline all these three numbers that need to be added. Make an arrow. Put an equal to sign. And then we are going to add up. Having difficulty adding up this way? Do the rough work. So let's see the rough work. 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. We add up. 7 plus 8, 15. 5, carry over 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 6, carry over 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 6, carry over 1. 8 plus 1, 9 and then 1. Yes, you must be noticing. I am adding up fast. Am I right? But I want you to add up fast. That is why I also add up fast. Alright? So let's write down the answer here. 19,665. No problem till here, isn't it? Now, next. I have three numbers with minus sign coming before them. Am I right? So, what's the rule? If two or more than two numbers are with the minus sign, we are supposed to add them up. Do you remember? I just had told you in the previous example. So, just underline all three of them. Make an arrow mark. Add the numbers and then write down the answer. So, let's add up. 999, 6,665, 555. We are supposed to add them up. Am I right? Excuse me. Now, let's add up. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 9, carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 1, carry over 2. Then, 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 2 carry over 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So, we got the answer as 8,219. So, this answer should be written over here. Now, the question again is, what should be the sign that we need to put here? Don't forget, we are supposed to put the minus sign here. Alright? So, our addition is over. What's the last thing I have to check? Subtraction. Do we have a subtraction here? Definitely. So, just underline, make an arrow, do the subtraction and then write down the answer. Excuse me. So, let's do the rough work. Let's do the rough work. 19665 9128. We are subtracting. 15 minus 9 is how much? 6. 5 minus 1, 4. Then 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 8, 1 and then 1. Let's check our answer. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 carry over 1. 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus nothing, 1. Yes, it is correct. So, we will write this answer here. And do you think our work is over? No, we are supposed to double underline. I hope, children, you have understood. Please follow the steps. See the video carefully. Follow each and every step. Still, if you have any confusion, you are most welcome to clarify your doubts. Thank you and have a wonderful day.